How to buy Sophon token. So this token came under the symbol of Soph. Now, before we start, this is not financial advice. I'm not professional or economic expert. So before investing in any project that you find on my channel, please do your own research. Now, this token not released yet, so you can farm the token for now. So I will show you how to do that. So as you can see, if you go to CoinMarketCap, you will be able to find it there. Now, if you click on their website, as you can see, we will be able to redirect it to this page. So what you need to do, just click on farm, as you can see. Now after that, just wait a few seconds. So you need to connect your wallet. Just select your wallet from here. As you can see, for example, I would use the Bitget wallet. So as you can see, click on connect and click on confirm. Now after that, what you need to do, just you can, as you can see, wallet not supported. So I guess the Bitget wallet not supported. They show you here that the wallet that they supported is MetaMask, Rabi, and Zerion. So I will just select the MetaMask instead. So as you can see, I will just click on cancel and I will just repeat from the start. So sign to, I will just log out, as you can see here. Now click on connect wallet. I will just begin from the start. Now select the MetaMask, for example. Now click on connect and click on approve. So after that, click on sign in to register. Now as you can see, you can click on confirm. So after that, wait a few seconds. As you can see, now check this. I am not a robot. Just complete this task. Now after that, click on next. Now make sure to read all of that and click on agree. So after that, what you need to do, just remember this Sophon ID name. You can copy it somewhere on your PC. Now click on register. So after that, what you need to do, just wait a few seconds to start farming this token. So take me to my farm, as you can see. So what you need to do here is deposit one of these tokens in your wallet. So as you can see, if you want to deposit the USDT, you can click on deposit here. And now here you can set how much you want to deposit. So because I don't have any fund on my wallet, I can't do that. So after you click on deposit, a pop-up will appear here from your wallet to complete the deposit process, and after that you can start farming this token. So this is how to buy Soph token. If you found this very helpful, please like and subscribe. See you next video.